Hey, awesome students. This is Miss Valley. It's Friday, May 29th. Holy cow, this is our last week of like regular school stuff for distance learning. This is not really regular though. Our last week of school is going to be fun. Community building things are going to be released that we'll all take part in. And I don't know yet what they are, but I'm excited to see. So today we've got a lot of things attached on this announcement. Don't be overwhelmed. So the first item here is just a reminder of the Art of Play document, the activities you could do. If you haven't done it yet, you could do it today. The form that I would like you to fill out explaining, the usual, what you took part in, your first last name, if you have any files you want to upload and share from things you've done this week that are really creative. Again, I reposted our BJ Novak, the book with no pictures activity and the reading by BJ Novak. And then also we've got our Flipgrid attached for this Friday. So please make sure you click on that and record your Flipgrid response. It's a fun one, and I'm excited to see what everyone has to say about this particular Flipgrid. So I hope you guys are doing really well, and I can't wait to do some fun stuff next week and see what Chippewa is going to do with the community, even though we're all at a distance, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to miss you guys this summer, but I know you're going to have a really great summer with your family, and hopefully we've got a lot of nice weather. We can enjoy the outdoors and be healthy and happy and safe and all that good stuff. And I cannot wait to see you either at Chippewa or at Mounds View High School next year, because I will be at both. So can't get away. I get to say hi to you in the hallways no matter where you are. I hope you guys have an awesome summer and have an awesome weekend.